Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change the blower motor on this 2010 Dodge Caliber. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button and leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm? Really helps out a lot. So we're going to come over here to the passenger side. And our blower is located right here. So the first thing we want to do is unplug this clip right here. Push in right here on this clip and wiggle and pull down. Unplugs right there, just like that. Now we are going to remove 3 8mm screws. One right here, one right here, and the last one right back here above my thumb. When you take the last one out, your blower motor is pretty much just going to fall right out here like this. I will have a new one of these linked down in the description below where you can get it online. But pretty simple. And then you just put your new one back in the way you took your old one out. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash that thumbs up button. Leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for watching and have a good one.